Guys, Spy Ninjas, in Chad's last video, we found out that Joseph Banks took my Tesla and he turned it to a hacker-proof DeLorean.
Woo! It's a beauty. Because it's made out of stainless steel siding, no Wi-Fi or any signals can get through it. So if we're inside with our computers, nobody can hack us.
So Mr. Banks also told us about this button that's actually inside the DeLorean. He told us not to push it, but I don't know. When someone tells me not to push something, I kind of want to push it. All right, guys, let's go inside the DeLorean and see what the button's all about. Open it up, Chad. All right, guys, let's get in here.
Shotgun.
All right, come on in. All right, Chad, how does it feel?
Wonderful, I'm loving it.
Oh, you got the front seat already? All right.
Yeah.
No, I'll just sit in the back if
Cool.
that's okay.
Yeah, here. Oh, wait.
Oh, wait a minute.
There's only 2 chairs. There's no back seat.
There's only 2 chairs? I can't come along with you guys?
Sorry, man.
Okay, no problem. I'll just fly the drone. I'll keep an eye on you guys. Make sure no hackers come.
Ooh,
all right?
Okay.
Awesome idea.
Yeah, that's a
see
great
you guys
idea.
soon.
Thanks, Daniel. The button is right here in, what is this called?
I don't know, some sort of storage area?
yeah.
Underneath your arm?
Yeah, but here it is.
Let's
So-
press it. What?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know if we should, because I mean, there's got to be a reason why. Joseph Banks told us not to push the button, right?
Yeah.
Man, what if it like deactivates like the hacker proof?
Like it makes the car not hacker proof anymore?
What if it has like one of those like, it's like an eject button? You know how like,
And it shoots me out of the chair?
yeah, what if it did that?
Whoa! That'd
Or-
be crazy.
I don't know, do you guys think we should push this button?
Yeah, guys, comment down below if you want me to press the button, because if he doesn't want me to press it, I think we should press it.
I don't know. Because I
Okay.
don't fully completely trust this Mr. Banks, Joseph Banks person.
Since we don't trust him, why don't we test the hacker proof out first? Maybe we can lure a hacker to the car
Oh.
and see if it doesn't allow him to hack it.
Ooh, that's a great idea, Chad. We're gonna try and lure the hacker in here by me posting an Instagram post.
Because we know the hackers look at your Instagram all the time. So
Yep.
if you say, here I am in the DeLorean
Yes.
at the JCPenney parking lot,
Yeah.
they'll come here.
And then when they come, what are we gonna do, Chad?
We're gonna sit in the car and we're just gonna wait and see if they can even like get into the car.
Oh, you know what? Daniel, let's give him a call.
Okay, yeah, and he can fly overhead with the drone.
Yeah.
If anything bad happens, he's watching the whole time.
Yeah.
And he can help. Daniel,
Daniel!
Hey guys, how's it going?
pretty good. We're gonna test out the DeLorean. We need your help.
Okay, what do I gotta do?
So we're gonna actually try to lure the hackers here, and just in case it doesn't work and the hackers can get into the DeLorean and get to us, will you let us know on the drone?
You're gonna lure hackers here? Okay, yeah, I'll keep an eye on you, but this better work, guys.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's a pretty risky plan.
But last time that you flew the drone into the hacker, it scared him off. That worked pretty well. So you might need to do that again just in case this thing is not hacker proof.
Yeah. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, if Joseph Banks is lying to us and this isn't hacker proof, I got you guys back.
Okay, cool.
What a good guy Daniel is,
Yeah,
huh?
he's awesome.
All right, let's test this thing out. Let's
All
get that Instagram post up right now.
Okay.
Okay, how about up here in front of the car,
Okay.
right down here. It'll look
Okay.
really sweet.
Okay.
And then we'll just take a picture with that camera you're holding. Be cool?
All right, yeah, my Instagram handle is @Qwaint. All right, ready to take the selfie, Chad?
I'm ready.
Okay, say Spy Ninjas!
Spy
Ninjas!
Guys, make sure to go check that out on Instagram.
All right, guys. Okay, I'm posting it. Chad, you gonna post yours?
Yep, I already did. I'm so
Oh.
fast. So those hackers are probably going to be on their way soon because I know they watch our Instagram really closely.
Oh, I'm already actually getting like a bunch of likes here. Oh, look. Look at all these PZs.
Whoa.
I'm getting these notifications.
A bunch
Look
of
at that.
PCs are leaving comments.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so that means
We
they
should probably close the doors. Boom!
All right.
So JCPenney's is in the background there. We told them we'd be in the JCPenney's parking lot.
Yep.
In our-
Let's keep an eye out for the hackers, you guys.
Yeah, definitely. I don't see anybody coming. Guys, you guys are really good at spotting things that we don't see. So if you see any hackers, make sure to alert us. I'm not seeing anything, but I'm sure they'll be here any moment.
Yeah, let's check the back, Chad.
Here's the back of the car.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to see out of.
Yeah.
Yeah, Joseph Banks sure didn't design this very well for like seeing where you're driving, did he?
No, I'm kind of disappointed that like I lost my autopilot, you know, and it's a manual transmission now.
And that means that it's a stick shift, so you gotta know how to drive that, which you don't know how to drive, right?
Well, and also like I can't reach the pedals.
What? Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at
See? I can't reach it. It's like way back
that. Not
there.
even close.
Yeah. I don't know what Joseph Banks was thinking, like redesigning the whole entire Tesla to look like this.
I guess he wanted me to drive it.
I don't know why he turned my car into your car. Like, he should have designed it for it to fit me, not fit Chad.
Maybe he's just like a really big Chad Wild Clay fan and he wanted me to have a sweet car.
What? And, you know, and he's not a Qwaint fan?
I'm sure he is.
Oh, Daniel's calling.
Oh, sweet. Okay, put him on speaker.
Okay. Daniel?
Guys, they're coming.
Oh, they're coming.
No.
How many do you see?
There's like 9 of them.
Really?
Okay, thanks for the heads up. We will be prepared. The doors are locked.
Yes.
We will see if this thing is truly hacker-proof.
Okay.
Thanks, Daniel.
All right,
Okay,
bye.
you guys, give this video a big thumbs up right now and give us good luck. Hopefully this works.
Okay, so...
I don't see anything yet.
Oh, what's this? Do you guys see this?
Whoa,
there's 3 hackers.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. Over to your left.
Oh my gosh.
There's 2 more over here on your side, B.
Oh my
they're
gosh.
coming.
Why are they crawling so weird? Why are they coming so weird?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, they're so creepy. What about on your side, Chad? Oh my gosh.
There's 2 more over on my side here.
Gosh, Chad.
What?
Oh my god.
And one's wearing a sweet leather jacket.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
What do we do?
Oh my god, behind
shit.
the door.
Oh.
I'm behind the car. Oh my gosh.
I don't see
What?
anything.
He's coming right at us.
I don't see
What the heck? There he is.
Oh, there he is. What the?
Oh my gosh.
Over the beat. Over on your side.
Wait, they're coming close.
Oh my gosh, they're
Wait.
really close.
What?
Okay, let's see if they can get into the car.
What?
Wait, what are they doing?
They're running away. They're running away.
Yeah, they grabbed their mask and ran
They went
away.
like this and they ran away.
And here they come.
Oh my gosh.
What
Wait, why? What is wrong with these ones?
Let's see if this thing is hacker-proof.
Is it-
Bring it on, hackers. This
You're ready
thing's...
to open the door, Chad.
Whoa, they're yelling.
Oh no, they're covering their ears.
Yeah,
They're running away.
Why are they doing that?
Oh my gosh. Is it actually working? I think it's actually working, Chad.
In the back.
Is it working? Is it working? Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's going
He's
crazy.
going crazy. Oh my gosh.
Looks like he was headbanging.
my
To the
God.
front of the car. Ew.
Oh, they're coming.
Come on, hackers, bring it on. You ain't gonna get in this car.
Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, they're not gonna work.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, it's working. It's
they're
working.
grabbing their masks.
They're running away.
Oh, 2 of them are running away.
Wait, why isn't this one running away?
This one is still, he's like
no.
holding his ears.
Why is this one resisting?
Here, B, take the camera.
Why is this one resisting? What is he doing? Oh my gosh.
He's gonna try to open the door.
No, he's not. Look how far away he is.
He's getting close.
No.
Trying to get in here.
No.
Oh, he's
What?
taking his mask off.
He's taking his mask off.
Taking his mask off.
What?
Oh, got a ninja mask.
Oh no. Oh my gosh.
He's walking right to the back of the car.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
He's coming over this side.
Oh
by
no,
me.
Chad.
He's coming over here.
Oh no.
Where'd he go? Ah! What do you want? What do you want? Oh, that's
my gosh.
First time we've ever seen a hacker's face.
I know, that was so crazy.
Partially, V, and his mask is on the ground.
Okay, that's a great idea. Okay, I'm gonna do it right now.
Okay, go. You should take the camera with.
Oh, okay.
Grab that mask, V.
Okay.
You got it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, she's making this noise! Oh my gosh, it's ringing really loudly! Oh my gosh! No! Why are you after me? Stop! You took my Tesla, and now you're gonna take my DeLorean! Stop! Okay, guys. I think I lost the hacker. I'm behind this really dark bush. Right now, I still got the mask with me. Let's see if we can see the hacker anywhere. Oh my gosh, I think the hacker's on the other side.
Come on, hacker. Bring it out, hacker.
Oh my gosh.
Here, V. He's taking a look at ninja. Yeah, ready?
You can do it, Chad!
Hey.
Daniel!
We all take the camera.
Okay.
He's right there. Come on, guys. Get him. Come on. Get that hacker. Oh, we're on this box. What the?
Oh no!
This hacker. She's not anywhere.
It's the disappearing hacker!
There must be some evidence or something around here about where this hacker disappeared.
Usually when that person disappears, they leave something on the ground.
Oh, that's right. There are like panels here. Wait.
Oh!
No, there's no doorway or anything. It's like screwed closed.
In the last video that the hacker disappeared, they said maybe they went down into the tunnel or something.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's just cement here. There's no tunnel. And then these doors here are locked. There's a lock right here. There's no way the hacker went through this doorway.
Yeah, no way.
Oh, there's something happening. There's one right here.
What happened? A tunnel?
Look, no.
Whoa.
What is that? What is that?
Hold on.
Oh, you're not gonna use your fingerprints.
No.
Get your fingerprints on
No.
there.
Okay.
What is it?
What is that, B?
Oh.
What is it?
Whoa.
What is it?
I can't tell. What do you guys, spy ninjas? What do you guys
is that?
see? Whoa.
I don't know. Can you hold?
Whoa.
Whoa! Project ZORGO secret language symbols.
Yeah. And it was like right in between this crack right here.
Yeah.
I mean, did that hacker like shrink down to like a
Whoa.
small size or something?
Did it go through this crack?
Yeah.
It almost looks like a doorway, but it's not.
Yeah, there's all these
It's
screws
just
here.
a panel. Let's get a good shot of that.
Yeah, what does it say exactly?
It says the crystal is located here, and then a bunch of symbols. So you guys can pause it there and write that down if you need to.
Yeah.
Use your decoder wheel, right?
And then write it in your spy ninja notebook and let me know. Oh my gosh, where did we leave our backpack? Oh, it must be still in the DeLorean. In the meantime, you guys get your decoder out and help us solve this.
Let's go back to the DeLorean. Okay, all right, we're here. All right, here. Okay. Oh, so loud.
Is that noise?
Oh, it's the mask. It's the mask.
It's the mask.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Get it away. Get it away from me. It's the DeLorean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you get too close, it
Oh
rings.
my gosh, you guys, it must be this voice modulator thing. The stainless steel from the DeLorean must be setting this off.
It's like interfering with it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably why the hackers couldn't get through.
So that's what makes it hacker-proof. When they went up to it, it was too loud and they had to run away.
That's a real hacker-proof car.
It is
Yeah.
hacker-proof.
The best way is just to rip this thing off.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
take it off.
Okay.
Take it off.
Ah!
Come on. Nice.
Oh,
You got it?
Right here.
Great.
Okay.
Okay.
Just throw it away, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
On the ground.
I think I-
You took it and threw it on the ground, right, V?
Oh yeah, that's right. Whoa, you guys!
What?
There's actually some symbols on the mask too.
yeah,
Do you
really?
see it?
Yeah, right
Do you
there.
see it?
It does. We definitely need you guys to decode this for us. It's the Project ZORGO secret language. So if you have the decoder wheel, leave a comment down below and let us know what it says. We don't have our decoder wheel on us.
Now that the voice modulator is off, let's see if we can walk towards the DeLorean right now.
Let's see. Here we go. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Very slowly.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's not ringing.
I don't hear
I don't hear it.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Mask
it
is right
totally
there.
works. Yeah.
Cool. So it must have been the voice modulator that was making it ring really loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's get inside.
Yeah, let's go
in.
inside.
You gonna go on that side, V?
Yeah.
All right, Daniel, we'll come over here. Lift this door up here. Ooh, there's V. All right, so I'll get in here. All right, come on, Daniel.
I'll sit right here.
Oh, cool, that works.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, guys. I'm ready to press that button, you guys.
Okay, lift that thing up.
Yes.
All right. What do you think's gonna happen?
I don't know.
Daniel, what do you think's gonna happen?
Wait, you guys are gonna press the button?
Yeah, he.
Okay, do you know what happens when you press it?
No, but he said we shouldn't press it, but I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. Well, it's no big deal, right?
I mean, if we press the button in, we can press it out, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. We can undo it probably. You know, it's probably an on and an off button.
Yeah.
So if it's on, and we just press it again for off.
All right, yeah.
Don't you think?
We'll see what it does. If it's something bad, we'll just unpress it. Yeah.
Perfect.
Let's go
What do you
for it, I
think,
say.
Chad?
I think we should press it. I've wanted to press it for so long now. You know, when I see a button, I want to press it. All right, ready? Everyone get your hand in here.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh!
The whole car just shook.
Oh my gosh!
Knocked the camera down.
I thought it was an earthquake. Was that an earthquake?
It's still making a noise.
It's still
but
making a noise.
Vibrating. You hear that?
Oh no!
You hear that?
It's coming from, guys, it's coming from the front over here.
The front?
Let's go to the front. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The camera's
Yeah, come, guys, come on. Gosh.
Oh my gosh!
It's really windy out here too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Wait, you hear that? Oh, wow, it's super loud. What's?
Oh my gosh!
It's so
What?
windy out here all of a sudden.
Oh my gosh! Is there an earthquake?
tornado coming?
Yeah, tornado, earthquake. What is with the weather right now?
I don't know.
There's definitely something
Something
in here.
in there has
Okay.
something to do with it, I think.
Then we should open the trunk.
Okay.
All right.
I don't even know how to do that.
Right here, you lift up, okay?
Oh my gosh!
Open it up.
Oh my gosh!
You ready?
I'm
Yeah.
ready. Oh my gosh!
Let's see what's in here.
Ah,
Gotta worry, but 3,
2,
1.
Whoa!